Hey everyone, I'm back once again with the Dell Optiplex GX150. So I had a plan where I was gonna do a video of doing a little slight rebuild or slight restoration where I was gonna replace the hard drive and the optical drive. But I did replace the optical drive earlier today since I had got a replacement one from eBay. But my original plan was to kind of keep the hardware kind of a bit era appropriate, even though the memory is maxed out to 512 megabytes. So I thought about doing a 40 gigabyte hard drive, but the 40 gigabyte hard drive I had was no good. So at any rate, this computer originally had a 20 gigabyte hard drive, but I had to steal the 20 gigabyte hard drive out of this computer to put in my Dell Optiplex GX110. Since I got my Dell Optiplex GX110 up and running and it's running Windows 98 SE, so I decided to I had a 160 gigabyte, which I was not too sure about putting it in, but I gave it a shot. It did complain that it was a little bit too big for this computer, but overall it worked just fine because they had a guy with a 2000 HP Vectra VL400, which was based on the Pentium 3, and he had a 160 gigabyte hard drive, and his was running Windows XP. And it was a guy that used to be on YouTube. He used to go by a kid with Cool Room 1, but so what I did with the 160 gigabyte hard drive, so I put two operating systems. So it's basically dual booting Windows 2000 Professional and Windows XP. So at least I could have Windows 2000 mainly for nostalgia and its original, even though Windows 2000 was the original OS that came shipped with this computer. So at least I got a little bit of nostalgia with XP. Even though my original plan was to keep it era appropriate, but since I had it apart earlier, I ended up putting in a better optical drive that works. So let's go ahead and fire this thing up and stop. Enough with the rambling. I'll show you this thing in action. Even though I am going to ramble on a bit. Even though this thing is going to take a little time to boot up, but hopefully this thing don't truly... As like I mentioned earlier, it does complain about it not being the right hard drive, but overall it still works just fine. So let me go ahead and press F1. And we're going to boot right into Windows XP because based on the title of this video. So the Windows 2000 partition is Windows 2000 is using a 40 gigabyte partition, while the rest of the hard drive is mainly Windows XP. And I put a few old versions of certain programs just to keep this computer happy because some versions may not of certain programs doesn't meet the system requirements. But at least it's a kind of a good reason to kind of keep it somewhat era appropriate. It is going to take it will take a little while to boot up. But I did make some tweaks to give it a little bit of speed, even though it's not like it's going to be on the internet to begin with. And if you're wondering what version of Windows XP, we are running Windows XP Professional with Service Pack 3. And I'm using the classic login, which is, I find, a lot better and a lot more faster than the welcome screen, of course. And very simple to use. And of course, I'm using the Windows Classic appearance. So let's go ahead and show you some of the specs. But overall, it's not too bad. And I did install a few little programs here and there, including Office 2003, which was kind of era appropriate even though for the mid 2000s. Although I could show Word 2003 in action. And one cool thing that a lot of people used to play around with Microsoft Word back in the day is the word art. So this is Office 2003, of course. So that's enough messing around. Let's see what game. Let's find a game that works. Let's try SimCity. Yeah, we know we're not running 256 colors, but we'll be fine. We're gonna mess around a bit with SimCity 2000. Even though I misspelled domino, but we've played enough, so we might I do have kid picks on this. We might mess around with kid picks. So yep, we'll go ahead and shut her down and wrap it up for tonight. So that's Windows XP running on the Dell Optiplex GX150 for you. And hopefully stay tuned once I do a video of the Dell Optiplex GX110 running Windows 98. And thanks for watching.